Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E14 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display. Now let's scroll down and find a special option which is called the screen timeout. Sorry, you do not really have to screen down. As you can see, it is on the third position, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some screen timeout options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.